Okay, we're out here with the PW87 shotgun. I bought this gun several months ago, picked it up from the dealer, went right to the range, cleaned the bore out, fired a few rounds, then I went home and did an overview on this. For the functioning and how it works, check the overview. But what I'm going to do here now, we're going to shoot it. I got some silhouette targets down, I'd say, 20 yards or so, and we're going to test it out. And with any shotgun, shotguns are strange. You have to pattern them to see what type of ammunition they like. So I'm going to shoot 4 different types of rounds, different companies and that, at 4 different targets. We're going to see how they pattern different. Now this is the old lever action design. Kind of open her up like this. Then if you look inside, you just push down on the floor plate to load it. And what we're going to put in, okay, what we're going to do is, like I said, you push down the floor plate. And what we're going to try out, the last one is a Herter's buck and ball. It's got buckshot and a large round lead ball in there. And to load this shotgun, push down the floor plate. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, as to loading this gun, you open up the action and you gotta press down on the floor plate here. I got one piece kind of hanging to the side. Then you can take the shells, place them down in there. I don't know if I can show this on the camera. Get it up and then go into the magazine. That's the buck and ball round. We're going to do that last. I have a Winchester Western double-aught buckshot military load, Gander Mountain, and then we're selling these here recently. I have a Winchester. This is like a varmint load. It's a stronger than normal 2 3/4 double-aught buckshot. Getting to be a pain to load. And the last one has that weird crimp. It's a Siller and Belote. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. That should be our last one. We're going to try these out. Once I get the gun loaded, we'll come back to the shooting part. Sorry about this. I didn't know it was so difficult to load the magazine. Alright, last one I just put in the chamber. I'm going to close the action. And we're going to test out our shots. Like I said, I'm at about 20 yards. I'm going to give it a try. This thing's kind of stiff. I tried oiling it up and that. It's got a little bit more pop to it. Now the military round. I fired these when I was in the service. And then the last one's that buck and ball. Deadly. Alright, we'll go down and take a look at our targets. Okay, the Seller and Belote or whatever kind of hit there. Of course, this target was waving around, but you can see the pattern pretty spread out up in the top here and that. The Winchester hunting round kept most of them here. A few of them went off over there. That was a stout load. That was top. Now here we got the military issue round, much better pattern. Okay. Most of it stayed right in on the top. Oh no, there's a couple here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9. Yep, a couple flyers. So not bad, better. And that buck and ball round is probably the best. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pellets, and a big ass ball went through there. That's an unusual load. I never shot that before, but I kind of like it. That's a deadly round right there. Okay. Yeah, I got the loading down. You know, these parts, this ain't really a finely machined weapon. Parts got to where I got to where I could open the action, slide them in, kind of tipping them forward, slide in. It holds 5 rounds. So I got that one ammo. I'm going to give it a try on the one target. Yep. Extraction's kind of tough. Ain't setting no speed record with that ammo. Let me try 5 rounds of military, see if that cycles any better. Okay, we're going to try that military ammo. That functioned a bit better. Okay, that foreign ammo ain't too bad once you get a few rounds there, but didn't want to cycle, worth of crap. The military ammo did a lot better, pattern's better, and cycled a lot better in there. Now I think for the last part of this, I'll take a couple targets out to 50 yards, and I'll try the buck and ball and the military ammo and see how they do. We're about at 48 yards, so we're going to try 2 shots of the military, 2 shots of the buck and ball at this distance, and then go take a look at the target and see if there's a major change. Take a look at the target. Okay, 48, 50 yards. Our military load still gets a couple pellets on the target. Buck and ball is doing something weird. Here's our 2 balls, giant balls, buckshot. course, the range is getting crowded. I got to move on, and I don't have the time to do this right. But yeah, that shotgun does strange things at distances. Could have been me. Could have been anything. So that's my first trial, and the action seems to be getting smoother. So more to come later.